My name is Zaman Bekashirbay, and today I want to explain about computer network. What is it, and how to use, and where we use it. So, the first of all, I want to ask you a question. What is computer network, and what is it? Today, now I will discuss about it. So, a computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. The computers use common communications protocols over digital interconnections to communicate with each other. These interconnections are made up of telecommunication network technologies based on physically wired, optical, and wireless radio frequency methods that may be arranged in a variety of network topologies. So, now the next one is network. What is it? So, a network consists two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. So nowadays we have two very common types of networks. They are local area network like LAN or and wide area network like WAN or no. We also say like we have metropolitan area networks like MAN or wireless LAN, WLAN, or a wireless WAN, WWAN. So now I want to explain about two of them, the local area network and the wide area network. What is local area network? A local area network is a network that is confined to relatively small area. So it's generally limited to a geographic area such as writing lab, school, or building, or like computer games, like computer like the place where you play computers. So computers connected to a network are broadly categorized as servers or workstations. Servers are generally not used by humans directly, but rather run continuously to provide services to the other computers on the network. Services provided can include printing and faxing, software hosting, file storage and sharing, messaging, data storage, and retrieval, complete access for the network resources, and many others. And what is wide area network? So, what is it? So, wide area networks connect networks in larger geographic areas like city Florida, like country, the United States, or from whole the world. Dedicate transoceanic cabling or satellite uplinks may be used to connect this type of global network. Using a WAN, schools in Florida, for example, can communicate with Tokyo in a matter of seconds without paying enormous phone bills. Two users a half world apart with workstation equipped with microphones and webcams might teleconference in real time. When it's complicated, it uses multiplexer, bridges, and routers to connect local and metropolitan networks to global communication networks like the internet. To users, however, a WAN will not appear to be different than LAN. So, now I want to tell you about baseband. What is baseband? Baseband is a digital data in their raw form. In binary, the language understood by the computer in the form of zeros and ones. For example, like 111 and 100 and like this. This allows very fast and reliable transmission over short distance. However, the media tend to make the bits interfere with each other. The range of baseband transmissions is very limited. It becomes worse with increasing speed. Baseband technology is frequently used on LAN. So, the next one I want to say about IP addresses. What is it? IP addresses. Internet protocol addresses is a numerical label assigned to each device participating in a computer network that is a uses the internet protocol for communication. At present, there are two versions of protocols in use: IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 uses 32-bit addressing, which limits address space to 2 power of 32 possible unique addresses. Example: IP 192.168.0.1 mask 255.255.255.0 means that the node addresses is 192.168.0.0 and the device address is 192.168.1.0.1. What about IPv6? It uses 128-bit addressing, which limits addresses space up to 2 powers of 128 possible addresses. It's deemed sufficient for the foreseeable future. Full IPv6 support is still in the implementation phase. So, what is network terms? What is it? So, latency, the first one. Latency, in correctly called ping. Ping is a value that measures how much time packet need to travel to the destination. It's measured in milliseconds. The tool that measures latency called ping, commonly using special ICMP packets, which are smaller than standard data packets, so they do not weight the network by their percent. We have immediate latency is measured every X seconds and immediately displayed its value constantly, changes due to the natural properties of packet switching network technology. High latency peaks have negative effects on most networking applications, which can adapt to average latency by allocating corresponding size of memory as buffer. High latency peaks lead to emptying of the buffer and to temporary freezing of applications. This freezing is commonly called lag. What about average latency? The sum of immediate latency measured y times every x seconds divided by y. Average latency is used to estimate size of buffer, mainly because it does not change so often. Buffer enables some applications such as stream videos to run smoothly even with high average latency, but it cannot protect us from high latency peaks. So, as a conclusion, I want to say thank you for paying attention. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the button like, and please give the 5 bonus points, please. Thank you.